Good weather for today. Today's Tuesday, and yeah, I've got hectic the past few days. Tried to do some deadlines and everything else, and I had an all-nighter last night and the other night, so didn't have much rest for today. But yeah, I slept in the morning. Had a presentation earlier here at uni, doing masters for IT, and I made my presentation for only around an hour and a half. But it went good, although I went over the time. We were supposed to do 3 minutes, but I went around 4 minutes. Though it's only practice, so it's not the final one. It's good to know that I can still wing it and everything. But yeah, I'm heading all home right now, and it's very good weather. But I do need to go home and edit some stuff and also do some assessments and everything else. So yeah, nice to see you today, guys. And again, the weather's really good. It's around, it says even 22 degrees on my car here, and it's, yeah, bright, good weather. I can't understand. I can't quantify how good the weather is, but yeah. So yeah, that's it. Good afternoon, guys. Today's Tuesday, and the weather's really good today. Like it's bright. Skies are blue. There's no rain. Temperature goes around 22 degrees here in my car. Car sensor, not the car itself. But anyway, yeah, it's been a busy weekend for me. Was out doing an overnighter for some assessments and some projects and everything else, and also some backlog editing. So it's been hectic, and I haven't had much sleep. I just had a few this morning. I had to do a presentation here at the uni. I'm doing masters for IT, and the good thing is I made my presentation for an hour and a half, and when I presented it, it was good. I just went over the time. It's supposed to be 3 minutes. I went 4 minutes, but that's fine. So yeah, I'm heading home right now. I'm gonna pass by Michael's place because he got my RCA check. So you don't care what that is, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, we were filming a video last weekend, and he got some of my gear, so I'm gonna pass by there. But you don't care about that. So yeah, I just want to say, yeah, today's really good weather. It's nice to go out and just go outdoors and have coffee. I had coffee earlier, though I have to do a lot of things. I'm gonna go home. The house is a bit, yeah. When you stay at the house, the whole pandemic and also winter and everything else, you feel like the house is cold, dark, and boring. But yeah, but it's still good enough. I'm gonna go home. I usually work in the garage, and yeah, I'll finish what I need to do so that the next few days, when the weather's good, I can go out. So yeah, just here saying hi to you guys. Let's see how this day goes. I don't have anything planned today. I'm just gonna blabber in the camera, so it's gonna be a boring vlog, or the vlog might end here. We don't know, but yeah, it's around 3 p.m. so the day's nearly over. But either way, nice to see you around, guys. Oh, one more thing, guys. I'm using my FX3 to vlog right now, and the thing is, I'm using Cine EI, which is the new update for this camera. And the funny thing with Cine EI is, I'm gonna turn off the car first. Hold on. Funny thing with Cine AI is that you have to like set everything out. Like the ISO is different from the usual ISO that you do. Like, I don't know, it's not the, it says EI 63. I don't know. It's I can't explain it because I'm not really good with it at the moment. But the thing is, yeah, it's a different thing, and also the white balance is manual. So you have to set the white balance yourself, and if you do that, yeah, I got lost. Oh, again, something wrong with the camera. I accidentally pressed the stop button and everything else. But anyway, what I was saying is that with Cine EI, everything is manual. Like, you have to set you can set. I tried to do set manual ISO so that I can change everything. I have a ND filter here. That way I can do the changes, and also it's manual settings for the white balance. So whatever white balance you have, you can just change it yourself. And this would serve as a training for me, because I haven't been using manual white balance. So I've been lazy. I've been using auto white balance, trusting the camera. But it's a good exercise, especially if you're filming weddings. I'm assisting wedding films also for my. I don't have my own studio because I hate editing weddings. But either way, yeah, it's a good training for me, because yeah, I used to do manual, but right now I'm too lazy. I'm doing auto white balance, auto exposure. But yeah, I'm trying my best to go back to basics and do everything else. A lot of blabber, yeah, a lot of blabber. Hey guys, so good day. What happened was, as of the last time we talked, I was in the car and enjoying the weather and saying it's so nice here. The weather is so good. But the day after that, I got so busy with things to do. I brought the camera with me. I took out the camera, put it on a tripod in front of me, like where it is right now. But I didn't film anything. I was so busy. It was like typing a lot of stuff and working with a lot of stuff. And I wasn't even editing a vlog. I was just busy. So yeah, here we are right now. Today's like what day are we today? Wednesday. Tomorrow is gonna be a holiday here because it's day morning for Queen Elizabeth's death. She was buried a few days before, or was that yesterday or the other day? The other day. I lost track of time. I'm so busy these days. And today, I'm just gonna close the last vlog that we did last time. I started to vlog that it was a good day, and just disappeared. So yeah, we're gonna try to close that vlog with another vlog, which is gonna be overlapping and which is not the same topic. It's like off, but yeah. Today I'll show you some stuff that I have here. So yeah, I'm gonna talk about the Rode Wireless Go, and it should be another video of it by itself, but I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of the things that I've heard. So I've had this case for the Rode Wireless Go. I also got this one here. It's not going to get to push it. Yeah, there you go. So that's for the Rode Wireless Go, which you can put here and it's going to charge it. And I got also this one here. It's the DJI. So I was really hesitant with this DJI one, and it's really good. So yeah, I might do a review, but yeah, right out of the bat, I'm gonna tell you that I used to have bought this extra for charging the Rode Wireless Go, because the thing is, Rode Wireless Go is when you get it, there's no charger. You have to like plug it in, and if you're in a hurry and if there's no battery and you're shooting a wedding, you're gonna mess up. You're not gonna have anything to record it with. So I got this, and then later on I found this online. So I just tried to get this one online. But by the time I got this, it's really small. It fits everything in. Here you go, focus. So it's really good. I know everybody has used this. I decided to get this one here. So this is the wireless mic for DJI, and we use this for streaming. Like when we do live streams, when we do weddings, when we do videos for weddings, we use a wireless microphone. If I do photos and I do same day edits, I use also wireless transmitter so that I can put audio onto the mixer and everything else. So there's a lot of uses for this thing. Sometimes weddings, there's a lot of people speaking, so we have to give each one of them some transmitter. So yeah, all these work well. Just up to you if you want to get one with a good microphone. I think this is the Rode has a good microphone. I'm not sure with that, but I think because they sell a lot of microphones. This one here is the DJI, and the DJI is like so tiny, so good, and you can use it. It can record also just like the other ones. And this one here also has USB-C and all those connections and everything else. So yeah, this is good. But yeah, I'll try to decide and just get rid of the ones that I don't need. Yeah, I might make a separate review regarding this, or just a quick talk about these transmitters. But other than that, yes, sorry about the other day. I didn't close the vlog and I just disappeared. And this vlog is gonna be weird, but I'm still gonna upload it because I don't care. This is my channel, and I don't know. I'm gonna put whatever I want in my channel. Yeah, I need to organize my content. Anyway, yeah. Tomorrow's gonna be, I don't know if I'm gonna film. Anyway, we'll see you the next time. I'm not gonna promise, but we'll see. Bye.